sobrang init. It's really hot right now, but I have to do this or else I don't accomplish anything today. So let's go. Come on. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. My stomach hurts and I don't get it. My coffee is still a lot in here. I found something here guys that I get rid of. But you know, this is a herb in the Philippines. This kind. Look. Yeah. I remember we have this in our backyard. And we use it for like if you have stomach pain. But I have to get rid of it because it's so many of them. Like it's crazy. So I'm gonna get rid of it. What the fuck is that? Shit. It's a moth. Holy cow. So this is what happened guys. I'm cleaning up it right here. Right here. Yeah, so that's it. It smells really good. And this is good for like if you have wound and your stomach hurt. It's good. So that's it. Did you see that? It looks like a snake. It looks like a snake guys, look. I'll show you. Is there a snake? No, it's a horse. It's a horse going in here, look. Right there. See? This is the front of the house and we need to buy a cutter, like a manual cutter, because I will cut it myself because it's overcrowded. Did you see the roses? The roses is overcrowded, like I need to cut those things. But the thing, I don't have a cutter. My husband kept saying that you have to buy a cutter, but I don't even let him. And that one to that tree, it's Japanese. It's a Japanese maple tree. That one, maple tree. So yeah, it's a dwarf. It's a short one. It's really pretty. And that's a good one. So I can take the head outside. So I get in here. Air conditioning is on. But I've been checking my legs, my arms, everywhere for ticks, just in case ticks and tax will attack me. Tick and tax will attack me. Anyway, everything is not organized here yet guys. Is everything here in this house is not final, is not organized. Whatever we brought in here from the other house we put everywhere, and then you know, slowly but surely I'm cleaning up I clean the cabinet is cleaned up, and wherever I have to think where this go like that, because I want everything not organized perfectly, but organized not perfect, but yeah, you know, like you know what I mean. I want it to be a little bit clean, nice. So I have some rice. I love my rice, guys. My friend, you seen her in one of my vlog from Queens, Rimi from Cagayan. She used to cook some rice, brown rice, and I tried it. I really like it, and I can't, you know, I want to try that for me, but my family here doesn't want to. My husband doesn't like brown rice. He doesn't like. He just question like why, you know, why brown rice? texture is not good, like that kind. But I really like it. She bought it like box, you know, in the box. But who knows, maybe someday I'll try it myself and I'll just buy a white rice for them. This is really high, guys. My husband and I put this yesterday and we put it really high. My mother-in-law can't reach this. Me, I can barely even, like, it's hard to reach the thing. It's supposedly right here. This one here is supposedly right here. But of course, we did it so high. Yeah, it's nice one. It's very nice. I need a black bag. Tomorrow I'm gonna tell my husband to bring a black garbage bag that I can put those files. In the Philippines, we don't have to worry to put that in the bag because we're just gonna burn it. Right here, you're not allowed to burn anything. I was lying down here waiting for the sun to come down a little bit because it's really hot. But anyway, hi Mile. I won't call you Miles because adding is you don't like it. So I will call you Mile. Mile G, hi! Ang ganda mo sis at ang saya-saya mo. Para kang Bisaya talaga katulad ko. I'm done for today, guys. I'm done for today. I just get in and charge my cell phone because it's dead, but I'm just trying to log in my laptop and watch a show or anything. Everything here is a show. There's no movie. I'm going to do wax because I haven't waxed my armpits for like a month. So it's kind of long already. My armpits, when you do waxing, your armpits here grow really slow. So that's why it takes few weeks for me to wax again. But this time it's like over a month, I think, already, and I haven't think. So it's kind of long, and which is good because when you do waxing, it's nice when your hair is long that you can get rid of it in one time. Look at the way, look at him. Look. Wow. But Dimples is very nice. Look, she tried to hold her brother, like, stop it now. Oh my god, hon.
Very nice.
That's how the dimple abs get hurt.
Yes. Are you on Match? No, actually. I just kind of figured it would be inconvenient because I didn't know there was an app.
Does this app seem inconvenient?
No, it seems easy. It's actually really funny. Is this a real person?
He's a real person. Find his username.
It's joking.
Joking.
Oh. I'm like,
Yeah.
Never celebrated our grill like this.
Now Dimple's going to jump in there. What is that? No, they're not. That's not a play, hun. Hub thing is very aggressive.